I'd say we have grown at least 400%.
In many cases, we doubled and tripled our revenue in some of our markets.
We're able to run 3 times as many calls on a daily basis as we were prior to.
When it used to take hours, sometimes maybe even days to pull a report, it takes minutes now.
We saved about two days worth of time a month for one of our admin assistants.
Timing, invoicing, billing, quoting, it's been phenomenal from the paperwork side of things to where we're at now. It's been day and night.
ServiceTrade's amazing. It helps us keep our scheduling organized and keeps the tech's schedules full, and it also helps the techs keep their day organized.
The good thing about ServiceTrade is that it's always growing and it's always evolving.
Our technicians love it because we've become way more efficient. Our customers love it because they get instantaneous answers on what we're working on, what's going on with their equipment. They can get pictures, they can get videos. They're very satisfied instead of getting an email 4 weeks after we showed up.
I'd say it's probably the most important thing we've gained from ServiceTrade is the professionalism, the thoroughness of those reports, and customers love it.